Now we will start the lesson on the verb to be in present tense. Present tense of the verb to be in Farsi has two forms, long form and short form. Now we are going to talk about the long form. So here we have the infinitive of the verb budan. In order to form the present tense, you need to have the present stem. And present stem of the verb to be is irregular, so you cannot guess it from its infinitive. You should know it. And the present stem of the verb to be is hast. And now you need to conjugate it. So hast, you want to say I am, so you need to add personal endings. Hastam, am. Hastam, I am. Then hasti, you are. Literally it's you is, because it's singular, and in Persian there is a difference between singular and plural form. And the third person is hast, without any ending, as you know, or asked. So the difference between these two is that they are somehow interchangeable, but whenever you are talking about the existence of something in somewhere, you need to use this one, hast. For example, او در خانه هست means he is at home. But when you want to relate, for example, a noun and adjective, mainly people use asked. So asked is much more common, but you should know that it has two forms, hast and asked. He or she is, or it is. The first person plural is hast. Then personal ending for the first person plural is im. Hastim, we are. Second person plural is hast, and personal ending has tid, you are. So there's a difference between second person singular, which is hasti, and second person plural, which is hastid. So it's literally it's you is, and this is you are. And the third one is first you need to write the stem, which is hast, and then personal ending tand. So if we conjugate it together, it's hastam, I am, hasti, you is, and hast or as, he or she or it is. Hastim mean we are, hastid you are, and hastan they are. So as you can see, there is no gender in Persian. You can say he or she, and the verb is used there is the same. There is one important point to know about the long form of the verb to be in present tense, that in spoken and written they are different. In a spoken form, hastid changes to hastin. So id changes to in. Hastid, the spoken form is hastin. And hastand, the spoken form is hastan. The dal is dropped. So hastid in a spoken form is hastin, and hastan in a spoken form is hastan. So this is the long form of the verb to be.